Welcome to Life on Greenwood. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to Life on Greenwood. It's Sunday morning. I'm doing church virtually. I know. Don't come for me. I'm doing church virtually today and decided to get up and make some French toast. Yep, I'm making some French toast. French toast out of this chocolate chip bread that I picked up a couple days ago. My nieces, I let them take a slice of this bread and they really liked it. And the lady at the store said it was great for making French toast. So I Googled a French toast recipe and I found one by McCormick. You know, the spice people. I just happen to have some McCormick spices on hand. This is not sponsored, but hey, McCormick, if you're listening. So, quick recipe. Takes about 5 minutes to prepare this French toast. 1 egg, teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup of milk, and 4 slices of whatever bread you're going to use. Now, I'll leave the recipe to this, or the link to it at least, in the description box. But it was really easy. If you made French toast before, then you know. This is pretty standard. It was just funny, that coincidence that I would Google French toast recipe and a McCormick recipe would come up. And not saying that those are the only spices that I ever use, but they are good. So here's a quick thrift tip. Don't forget to thrift in the off season. A lot of times you'll find great clothing that at a good price. So for example, if it's winter time like now, go in there and look for spring and summer attire. Be surprised at what they're getting rid of. And you can find some great buys. So don't forget to thrift off season. Okay, back to the French toast. Okay, so put in all the ingredients. Make sure you grease your pan. I greased my pan with butter. And I'm only using 3 slices of bread. Now, I'm trying to use this chocolate chip bread because my nieces, my great nieces, I give them an after-school snack every day. And I said, let me try this French toast thing with this chocolate chip bread, because the cashier said, oh, it really is well. It's a good thing to use if you're going to make French toast. Now, I'm not crazy about the chocolate chip bread kind of stuff because I don't like chocolate muffins and cake or anything like that. I will eat chocolate chip cookies, but chocolate chip bread is something else. But anyway, I digress. So I'm trying this as an experiment, just to have a little after-school snack for my great nieces. And this was so easy. Gotta tell you, turned out great. I actually like it. Will I do it again? Probably yes. I'm definitely going to make it for the girls and see what they think about it. It was so easy though. I used mine. I tried, once I cooked the bread, I tried it without syrup, just a little sliver. I tried it and it was good. Then I tried it with syrup, and then I tried it with syrup and bananas. Now, that's something else. But quick and easy recipe by McCormick. I'll leave a link or list the ingredients somewhere in the description box. Guys, it's the 12 days of Thriftmas, and I've been putting out a video every day since the 12th, 11th or 12th. Anyway, I'm going to do 12 days of thrifting videos, and until December 24th.